the W in wasp and the Y in yellow. Pronunciation Activation Pack 37. W, wasp, Y, yellow. In this pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at the consonant sounds W and Y. We'll look at the letter combinations that give the W and Y sounds. We'll look at lots of words which have the W and Y sounds in them. Finally, we'll activate your ability to hear and produce the W and Y sounds correctly. Semivowels. The W and Y sounds are semivowels or glides, which are a type of approximant. The semivowels have characteristics of both consonants and vowels in different words. The W and the Y sounds on the chart are shown in green, which means that they're voiced. Letter combinations for W. This voiced labial velar approximant semivowel has these letter combinations. Most commonly W, sometimes WH or QU as qua, sometimes GU or SU, and rarely O, ON and HO. Letter combinations for Y. This voiced, unrounded palatial approximant semivowel can have these letter combinations, Y and I, and sometimes U, UE, and EW making U, and rarely EAU. Practice. The antiquarian accumulated numerous Ouija boards. Practice. The quarryman quarried a stupendous quartz. Practice. The choir master was disquieted by the choir's truculence. Practice. The Ukrainian equerry's eloquence was unusual. Problems for students. There are no real problems with these two sounds apart from the different ways of spelling them and the fact that letter combinations that give the W and Y sounds can also be pronounced in different ways. Take who and which, for instance. In the pronunciation activation pack, we'll be looking at 2,906 words which have the W and Y sounds in them but don't have the W or Y letters in them. Resources and activators. As with all my English activation packs, this activation pack has valuable resources to help you activate the language in this lesson. Download the resources from the link at the top left. You'll also find the activators at the end of the pack. These will give you plenty of exercises to help you make the language in this lesson part of your active vocabulary. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all learning the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.